What happens when soft diced potatoes meet boiled spices? Episode 2 of 100 Ways to Cook Potatoes is about to show you. I am super excited to share this easy recipe with you today. We are talking about a dish that's perfect for any meal, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The best part, it's incredibly simple to make and requires minimal ingredients. First, you're going to chop the onion like that. Then we do the same for the tomato. We chop it into small slices. Next, we cut the garlic into small pieces. Then we do the same for the bell pepper. Then we take a carrot. Then first we slice it into medium slices. Then we cut them further into smaller pieces. Now we take 3 medium-sized potatoes and chop them. In a medium heat, pour oil into a sufuria. Then add the onions and cook them, occasionally turning them to allow even cooking. Now that they're golden brown, we add garlic and we stir. Next, we're going to add the pepper and we also start to mix it well. Then we add the tomatoes. The cooking continues like that until all the tomatoes have released their juices, after which we add a Royco cube and we stir. Then we add turmeric and mix it as well. Next, we add the black pepper and we stir, after which we're going to add a small amount of water, like that. Then we add the carrots and we mix it well. Then we now add the potatoes. This is allowed to cook for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for episode 3 of this series. Then we're going to add a pinch of salt. We stir and the food is ready for serving. This meal is very incredible. You can serve it with rice, but in our case we're going to be serving it with another dish, and in this case it is the noodles. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video.